Welcome to this crochet tutorial. Today we are making a beautiful coaster, perfect for your coffee table or as a handmade gift. This project is great for beginners and experienced crocheters alike. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crochet guides. Now, let's get started. Let's begin by making a magic ring. This technique creates a neat and adjustable center for your coaster. Once you have your magic ring, work 12 double crochets into the ring. After completing all 12 stitches, gently pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring. Then slip stitch into the first double crochet to close the round. Great job! The magic ring can be tricky at first, but with practice it will become easier. If your magic ring is too loose, pull the tail slowly while adjusting the stitches to get the perfect tension. In round 2, let's increase the size of the coaster. In this round, we will work 2 double crochets into each stitch around. This means that for every stitch from the previous round, you will place 2 stitches in the same space. By the end of this round, you should have a total of 24 stitches. Slip stitch to the first double crochet to close the round. You're doing fantastic. Your circle is expanding beautifully. Make sure your stitches are evenly spaced and maintain consistent tension to keep the coaster flat. In round 3, we will continue expanding the circle by working an increase pattern. Crochet 1 double crochet in the first stitch, followed by 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way around. This will bring your total stitch count to 36. Slip stitch to join. Look at that! Your coaster is taking shape. Keep going. Count your stitches at the end of each round to ensure accuracy. This helps maintain the correct shape and size. Round 4. Now, let's add a decorative touch to our coaster. Start by chaining 4, then work 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Skip the next stitch, and in the following stitch, work a combination of double crochet, chain, double crochet. Skip another stitch and repeat this pattern all the way around. This will create beautiful open spaces that add an elegant look to the coaster. Slip stitch to join. You're doing amazing. This round adds a nice decorative touch to the coaster. Insert your hook into the stitch before the previous round's increase stitch for better alignment and a more symmetrical pattern. In this final round, we will add a textured finishing touch to our coaster. Start by making a slip stitch into the next stitch, then chain 2. In the same stitch, work 5 unfinished double crochets together. Chain 2 again and slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around to create a beautiful, slightly raised texture. Finally, slip stitch to join and weave in the ends. Almost there. This round adds a lovely texture to the coaster, making it look even more elegant. Tip: insert your hook 2 stitches before the previous round's increase stitch for a neater and more polished look. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade coaster. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet projects. Let me know in the comments if you tried this pattern or if you have any crochet requests for future videos. Happy crocheting and see you in the next tutorial.